So, Ashifa, did you watch a movie?
Yes, I do. Yesterday I watched a film entitled Legally Blonde. Who knows?
I don't watch it yet.
Oh, so this story is about Elle Woods. She is a fashionable.
Oh, wait. What kind of movie is that? Action, fantasy, or something?
Kind of romance, but it's not romance. Sometimes something like academic
Oh.
academic achiever.
Combination of what?
Yeah.
Slice of life then.
Yeah. So the story is about so there is some girl named Elle Woods. So she has a boyfriend, but they broke up because yeah, because
I know that movie.
yeah. So who's the name of the boyfriend? Warner.
Yeah.
So Warner broke her up because he wants someone serious because he wants to go to Harvard. So Elle Woods study hard to get into Harvard to get her boyfriend back.
Law school, isn't it?
Yeah, law school. But ended up they don't get back together.
Why?
Because Warner
Warner already has
New.
yeah.
Oh, that's sad.
But in the end, I was becoming academic achiever.
Oh.
So his her boyfriend became her motivation.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Which your favorite part of that movie?
I love all the parts
Oh,
actually.
okay.
Maybe I should watch it.
Yeah.
But the moral value did you get from the movie?
So from the movie, I learned to not depend on the other people and focus on our dream.
Yeah,
That's
that's
great.
right.
It really motivated me to study hard.
Okay, that's good.
Do you recommend this movie to us?
Absolutely.
Okay.
How about the others? Have you watched a movie this week?
Actually, I watched a series called Young Sheldon, so I have this.
Oh wow.
What is this?
What is this?
What is it?
Oh.
So I will present to you what I watched with this picture. So this is Sheldon Cooper. He is the main character of this series. So I watched the season 2, episode 5, fifth episode. So Sheldon Cooper is a boy that he is gifted. So he's like genius and too critical, so that he needs everything to be explained theoretically. He has a twin sister named Missy, or Melissa Cooper, but you can call her Missy. The father named George Cooper, the mother named Mary Cooper, and they have one big brother. Yes.
Georgie.
Yeah, Georgie Junior Cooper.
How do you know? You watched it too?
Yes, but she is season 2, me season 1.
Oh, so you watch it too. In this episode, it's like telling about Sheldon and Missy were got into a research. So there's doctors that offering Dave to be the object of research because they were they were twin, but siblings, but they have so much difference. So Sheldon predicted the research will be full of interview and tests academically. But turns out the test is not just about something theoretically, but also emotional intelligence. For emotional intelligence, Sheldon have like he is not too responsible.
Oh, he's not that good.
Yeah,
I see.
he can like what? He can express. He can like catch others' emotions. So his social skills like not too good.
Maybe it's because he's too genius.
Maybe that
he depends to his brain.
yeah.
So he's only see things
Yeah.
objectively.
Yeah.
If someone has a higher IQ, his AQ, EQ, emotional intelligence is not much.
Yeah. Okay, and then I've mentioned first that Missy have so much difference than Sheldon. It's because Missy, she's not gifted, she's not genius. She's just a normal kid who like to play, who like to interact with others. So she has a good emotional intelligence. She can catch others' feeling, like understanding others. Missy mentioned that she can like notice something that everyone miss because she always been alone. Her father and her big brother were like to drink football, so they look like a team. And her mother and her grandma, they call her Mimo. It's always fussing over Sheldon. So they're like a team too. So Missy just alone, and she has ability to notice others' emotions.
So the family was ignore Missy.
Yeah, that's right.
Maybe I think from your explanation, Mrs. is also gifted, but just the other side of Sheldon. Maybe Sheldon is good in
Academic.
academic, but Mrs. is good in emotional.
Sheldon got mad in this episode because he thought the research will be full of academic tasks, but turns out it's not just about that. And from that research, finally their parents know that Missy always feel like she's alone. I really recommend this film because this movie, this series, because this told us, this teach us so many things about family life, school.
Wait, I got very curious. What did the parents do after know that Missy is lonely?
They in the way to go home, they bring like Missy to choose their menu of dinner. Usually Sheldon had to pick the menu because everyone was always been on Sheldon. So after when they going back, finally Missy had a chance to pick the menu. She picked Red Lobster. Do you like it, guys? Actually,
I never tried it. I never tried lobster.
Actually, it's one of my favorite food too.
I rarely eat seafood because I had an allergy.
I see.
So I watched Young Sheldon 2 yesterday,
Oh.
but the difference is season 1 and part 1.
Oh,
Yes.
so it's the first episode, isn't it?
Yes, so the beginning of the story.
Okay.
Have you watched it too?
Actually, I'm not sure because I watch it not.
Oh.
So you skip the
Yeah.
Oh.
Because
I see.
you
watch
easily
it
bored.
randomly. Yeah.
It's
Like that.
So it is in 1989
Oh.
in East Texas. There was a boy named Sheldon Cooper. He was 9 years old and he has totally genius. He has higher IQ than others because he is gifted, of course. The difference is when he was 9 years old, he started his high school.
Acceleration.
Yes, acceleration. But in his class there is his brothers too, his elder brothers.
Churchy,
Yes,
junior.
Churchy, yes. But the problem is Sheldon is always correct the teachers and very obsessed with rules.
Oh.
Because he was very smart, and then someday when his mother take him to church, he asked to the pastor about the existence of God, about anything about evil thoughts or everything about faith.
I think children. Edison has a high curiosity.
Yes, children is not believe with anything about faith. Yes, God.
I think I watch it too.
Yes, he very obsessed with saints until he going to in front of the people of what is the name? Jemaah.
People.
Like the people in the church.
Yes, the church, and then the pastor asked him about that can saints and faith be combined? And children say he was not faith and religion is different.
Oh.
Children say like that, but the pastor is believe that if saints and religion can be mixed together. And his mother asked him to make a friend, make a friend, yes. And he met Tam. Tam is a Vietnamese boy. And then he invited Tam to dinner with his family. And then Tam explain about his origin and where he's come from, about hometown, and from there, children has a friend. But Tam is just same like children who have no friend and then obsessed with education, science, and he decided to make a mini rocket, I think, and he was purchase uranium from, I think it's Ukraine or Russia, I forgot.
Really?
And then FBI is coming in front of his home and then said to his mother like, this is FBI. There is someone purchase uranium from them because uranium is maybe dangerous. Yeah. And when FBI arrived, there is a rocket.
A real rocket.
No, it's just a mini rocket.
Not a big one.
But it's crushed everything, every stuff, and the window is broken.
Because the rocket.
Yes, yes, of course. So he has curiosity. That's very recommend to watch because that's make us like we should know that some of people has
Special
special
things. Yes, you guys should watch it. You guys actually can watch it anywhere. Like now there's many platforms that have Young Sheldon in their applications. So you guys should watch it.
I watch it on YouTube. So YouTube is have their own channel named Young Sheldon too. There is a series.
I thought it's only in Netflix.
So, what the moral value did you get from that episode?
I think it's the same with Arden.
What?
Of course, with different episodes,
Oh,
there's
yeah.
different stories.
Oh, okay. So another day, if we become a parent, we as a young
Person.
yes, we should learn parenting because we don't know who we will raise.
Or maybe we will get childlike children.
Yeah, we never know. We never know. But we can be the next time.
Or maybe that's a preparation.
Yes, that's what I mean. A preparation to be a good parents, we should learn parenting, and then we will.
I know.
Yeah, I agree with you. So parents should not like treat their child differently.
Yeah.
Maybe different with her what is name talent or what, but if this love we should spread it.
Actually.
Yes, actually.
So do you guys also like watch something? Maybe watch some sport or also movies and stuff?
So I watched an action movie. It's
Ah.
called Kingsman: The Golden Circle. It was sequel of the Kingsman Secret Service. So this one is called this one is main character called X.C. Galahad. He was a Galahad in the the Kingsman has a surname like they have their own name. They are secret spy. So they call so this was X.C. Galahad, Agent Galahad, and this one was
character is
the main character was him, and he is Harry Galahad, Agent Galahad too. But and the Kingsman, the Secret Service, in the end they thought Harry was died.
but actually he died.
Yeah, and
Maybe like disappear.
not this bird because Harry was get a shoot on the other eyes.
His
eyes, yeah.
So the reason.
That's
why.
When
His
is
eyes
the reason
covered.
why the one of the places is black because he get shoot on the eyes like
Oh my god. That's so bad.
yeah.
But he survived.
Somehow. And on the first, they don't know that he was survived. So in this, after Secret Service, in the piece of the Kingsman was disappeared because there's Poppy Adams.
Poppy, is she the ugly girl there?
No, she was like the leader of global drug syndicate.
Wow.
Yeah. She was leader of the global drug syndicate at 18 years old or
Oh my
19
god,
years
that's
old.
pretty young.
Yeah. And this is Merlin. He was he always not operating but organizing and handling the Kingsman. This one is Agent Tequila. He's from State Maine. So Kingsman is the name of the organization. Kingsman has like what apa itu? Kayak ada usaha tersembunyi gitu loh. Buat menyamar, kayak usaha buat menyamar.
Hidden action ya.
Usaha itu kayak perusahaan maksudku kayak
ini.
yeah, like Kingsman has like to menutupi dari publik apa? To hide it from public. They have a tailor or boutique calls the Kingsman. Yeah, and the Statman was the sister of the Kingsman. The Statman has a beer or alcohol
Something.
yeah, alcohol factory like that.
Actually,
So that's why the agent called Tequila and the leader was called Mr. Champagne. And the other agent has name Whiskey like that. So this Poppy Adams sent a missile to X.C. Galahad house and the Kingsman mansion and the Kingsman tailor shop. Yeah. So the Kingsman actually didn't have any money again because Poppy was destroying all of
Everything.
yeah. Even the dog of Exy,
Died?
died because
Oh
the
my
missile.
god.
And-
That's so sad.
And his best friend on the mansion.
Died?
Yeah, because the missile was bomb on they destroyed everything. So Marilyn and Exy decide to go to Kentucky, United States,
Oh.
to get asking help from the state name because they don't have enough money to. Poppy Adams, she finally do her evil plan. So she drunk. She put like dangerous poison in illegal drug because Poppy Adam wants to drug to be legal on the United States, on the world, like
Oh, because she's the seller.
yeah, no, because she thinks like I'm the leader of the drug syndicate at 18 or 19, but I can be famous. Like no one know me.
So she wants to be famous.
Yeah, like I have a lot of money, but
everything.
no one's know me.
Oh, I thought it was because.
But she become famous because of that thing.
No, she is her plan, but she wants she calls the United States president. She wants like I have the cure for the drug because the drug make a rash for the consumer, blue rash actually. It will make them crazy, go singing like just crazy. And then they will their blood will they will die like
Oh my god.
the blood will come out from their eyes, from her mouth and their nose.
So because Poppy selling the cure, she make the turn fact.
Yeah, like that. Like she
Like-
wants president to sign the contract to drug to be legal on the United States. But the president want to kill all the people who get poisoned.
Oh.
So the president doesn't want to make the drug legal, but he want to kill the all people who get poisoned. Yeah, that was like
Very bad.
why the president didn't try to
Uh,
negotiate
yeah,
like
yeah.
that, but
And protect.
yeah, because the president wants to get not famous like he want like the people will like adore him.
Respect.
He wants gain a respect because he didn't make the drug legal. Yeah, but he wants to kill all the people who get poisoned.
Actually, it's.
So that's the
Yeah,
decision.
but in Exy and Merlin and Harry wants to get all the people the cure.
Okay.
He wants to save the world.
Yeah.
Not to kill the all people who get poisoned. Actually, the one who motivated him to get the cure was his girlfriend get poisoned too. So his girlfriend used drug too.
Oh, how sad to him. His
Because-
dog died, brother died, her girlfriend got poisoned.
So his girlfriend was get jealous because he has to kiss other girl and put the GPS on her body. So the girl was Poppy Adams' girlfriend assistant. So the Kingsman want to detect the location of the cure on the middle of journey. I don't know. I think it's plot twist. Whiskey was destroying the cure. I think Whiskey wants to have a relation with the president.
Do you recommend this movie?
Yeah, I recommend you guys to watch it because if you guys like action movie, it looks good. Yeah.
And what the moral value of the movie?
The moral
You can-
value was
Be a good
I
friend.
think
Be great.
the bad,
We should not betray other ideas.
yeah, and the bad thing like drug can be legal on the city or the country because yeah, it has bad thing and bad.
You must be a good friend.
And what about you?
I watched a movie like old movie, but this fantasy.
Oh,
No, that's interesting.
The title is The Big Friendly Giant.
Giant.
Yeah, giant. So the story starts with in the orphanage there is a little girl named Sophie.
Sophie.
Yeah, she liked to read a book, and when the when the night come, Sophie barely sleep. She can't sleep in the night. So maybe she will turn off the light, take some mail that came from the door, so put it on the table. So after that she will back to her bed. After that she will read a book under the blanket with the center apa?
Flashlight.
With the flashlight.
Pulang dari ini deh, she
Gimana?
read.
So after that she will return to her bed. Under the blanket, she will read a book with a flashlight.
So she hid under the blanket.
Yes, like that. So one night, she like heard something outside the window. So when she look for it, like she look three men get
she saw 3 men.
yes, three men under. So she is in the
Upper stairs like that.
in the balcony. Balcony. So in the street, when the street at night, there is three men get drunk. Drunk. Yeah, get drunk. So after that, she like scold them like, you should go. This is the place where we have to sleep. We have to some peace moment to
Because
sleep.
it was night time.
Yeah. So after that, the three men is go. She like she watch
Trash
bin.
she was old trash bin falling in the corner of the street. In the corner, and after that she looked a big hand take the trash bin and put them back.
It was a giant.
Sophie was shocked because the hair is so big.
Obviously.
The hair is so big, and
And she just saw a hand. Only
So-
a hand.
on the hand, like behind the wall. Behind the wall. So
That's creepy.
that's
Yeah.
like Sophie stunned in the
Yeah.
place. So the big hand come forward and see Sophie watch him. Like this big hand is get caught by Sophie. After that, Sophie is scared and run into her bed. But her bed is near the window and the balcony. So the big hand is take Sophie in the
From her bed.
yeah, from the window. The hand is grab Sophie and the blanket and take her into the big bag.
Oh,
The big
that's
bag.
pretty scary
So
actually.
after that, like Sophie get kidnapped by the big creature. After the Sophie take by the big creature is running, jumping over the town without anybody notice. Without anybody notice.
Sophie the only one who noticed it?
Yeah, he's the only one who noticed it and the only one who get kidnapped.
Okay.
Like maybe like when there's a truck pass by, the big creature is using black coat, so like
so
you
they
can
can
hide,
see it, like,
you can hide under the shadow, like the shadow like that. So the giant creature is end up in the like a mist, thick mist. So the giant creature is stopped in the thick mist when she pass the mist. Behind the mist is the giant land.
So in the giant land there's a big
There's many giants.
Yeah, there should be many giants. Sophie brought by the giant into her home, into his home. Into his home when
For what?
Sophie,
For what?
because giant is like mythical creature. Maybe like if you get caught see them, you will they make you silence, like kidnap you.
because the giant didn't want other people to know.
Yeah, it's like that. So after that, Sophie get out from the bag and she saw many big stuff like books, ball. So and there's fruit. The giant make a soup, but like cucumber soup. But the cucumber is like different, not like cucumber because when you cut the
Not like
cucumber,
the normal cucumber.
yes,
And the
that's
human
cucumber.
place.
There's a cucumber from the giant land.
Yeah.
So what's inside the cucumber actually?
I don't know. That's like something disgusting and
I think I watched it before.
yeah, like that. So after that, Sophie like begged to the giant not to eat her because she was so scared. After that, like turns out Sophie had insomnia.
That's
That
why
made-
she can't sleep.
Yeah, that's why she can't sleep. So after that, turns out the giant is really kind. The giant is a dream maker. The giant, like dream maker. With a simple life and have a job as a dream maker. A dream maker not for the other giant but for human. So when Sophie can't sleep, the giant tried to make a dream for Sophie, so Sophie can sleep.
So that's sweet.
Yeah.
But Sophie has a will to run away from that house, but in that big giant land, there's another giant who is bigger than the friendly giant. But the other giant is like to eat a child. But Sophie didn't believe it, so the friendly giant make a dream about it to make Sophie scared.
It's the way to protect Sophie.
Yes, it's the way to protect Sophie. And in the next mornings, the giant is calm. The giant who has a bigger body from the friendly giant. It's calm and takes some drink with. So the cucumber is maybe a little disgusting, but when the cucumber is made to make a drink, it will be nice.
Oh,
like
the taste
drink.
nice.
Maybe like whiskey for the giant.
Oh,
Yes.
Oh,
You have to,
yeah.
yeah, alcohol from the giant like that. The gin is like because the friendly giant is have a little body from the other giant. They always bully the friendly giant.
Oh, like because they have different size.
Yeah, different size because the friendly giant is smaller than the other giant.
Yeah.
Because maybe like the friendly giant is never eat meat like children and the other.
Lack of nutrition.
Yeah, nutrition.
So in the end, do Sophie and the friendly giant finally become close?
They finally become close, and to stop the other giant who really want to eat children. And there's a news in the country that say 8 children is missing. So we got an idea to stop that, to stop the giant to eat the children. Sophie and the friendly giant is going to the castle to tell the queen.
Of giant.
I know that part.
Tell the queen because like before Sophie, there's a boy who get close with the friendly giant and call the friendly giant is the big friendly giant or BFJ. That's a name given by the boy, but the boy is sadly maybe got eaten by the
Other
other
giant.
giant. So that's why when the big friendly giant is caught Sophie, kidnapped Sophie, like he was scared and get some past memory when the boy is get eaten by the other giant. That's why they came to palace, do the palace.
Oh, palace.
Yes, to tell the queen, but not like tell directly. They made a dream. They made a dream for the queen. Like there's a giant, so there's a soldier fight the giant. Like everything is combined in that one dream for the queen.
So the queen didn't
That's
eat-
brilliant, actually.
Yeah. And they add Sophie in the dream.
Oh.
Like the last dream after the dream is the queen see a little girl,
That's
Sophie,
Sophie.
in the window,
Oh.
in the window of her room. When the queen is woke up, they like a weird feeling and scared. So the maid is come to open the window and there is Sophie on there. So at first the queen doesn't believe of giant. Like she believed that was just a dream. After that's like but Sophie called the big friendly giant to came, and then the queen finally believed that there is a giant and the giant land. When the funny part is when the soldier asks where is the giant land, so they spread a big map to tell where is the giant land. There's a long map. After that, the big friendly giant is like coordinating where is the giant map, and then the giant land is outside the map, like here. Here. The map is only until here, so she put his finger in here.
Oh, so the giant land is on of map.
Out of the map.
I think because when giant land is on the map, people will know there's a giant land.
Yes.
Where is
Then
now? Why is there like
go there and got eaten?
like
That's
there's no hiding again? Like if a lot of people know that they got eaten and the dog will sepi apa sih?
there will be a war between the soldier and the giant.
Yeah.
It's possible.
So after make a plan to catch the other evil giant, they make a plan. They go there behind the mist. So they caught the giant who was asleep, because if in the daylight, the giant is asleep.
So they like nocturnal.
Maybe kind of yeah. Because but in the night they will wake up and hunt someone to eat, yeah, like that. So when they sleep, the soldier came with a helicopter to caught them and abandon them in a little island. That's a little island in the middle of the sea. There is no way to go and run away. And the queen just give them a cucumber seed to eat.
Okay.
A box, a lot of cucumber seed.
So they
to
need
them.
to plant the cucumber seeds
And they will make a soup.
the
cucumber.
island. Okay.
Yeah, that's enough for the giant punishment, because always eat maybe like 8 children like that. So after that,
So the giant must be vegetarian.
yeah, not eating meat again. Like that.
Yeah.
After that, after the couch of the giant, Sophie is now have a better life. He now live in the palace with the queen.
So what's the moral of the
Yeah,
movie
we
you
could
watch?
end the
Apa ya?
Maybe the moral is sleep early so you don't get kidnapped by the giant.
Like maybe like if, even if you have a small
Body,
body,
like
a
size,
small like you like
like a different
different
from
from the other. From the other doesn't mean that you
Weak.
yeah,
Yeah,
that's
So you
weak.
have to take her.
and we can do bullying or
Even like if we
really
do
take-
bullying, we get the bad
bad.
result in
Yeah.
the end.
Okay, that's pretty interesting. So that's very interesting actually, guys. I
Yeah.
really like to have this chat, this sharing session with you guys. Yeah.
and I recommend you guys to watch the Kingsman because if I can retell the story, because if you don't watch it, you can get the feel of
You
the
can
movie.
imagine.
Yeah, imagine. You have to imagine to
Should I?
Yeah.
Actually, all the
Sure.
story that you have talked
Ex-
about is very interesting to
Yeah.
watch.
Yeah, I have a new recommendation movie
Yeah,
from
me
you
too.
guys.
Yeah, me too. I think I will watch Young Sheldon.
That's
Yeah.
pretty.
It's so interesting.
So it's so nice to meet you guys, and we'll see you tomorrow, guys.
Thank you for watching our video.